Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
PDP governorship candidate for Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, says when he is elected as governor, he will enter into a social contract with the people of Delta State to guarantee good governance and the socio-economic advancement of Delta State and its citizenry. Oborevwori says this social contract, which is encapsulated in his MORE agenda, will ensure that every single part of Delta State witnesses the positive impact of his administration. He made the pledge last week during a word-to-word campaign in Ughelli North and Ughelli South local government areas of Delta State. Last week, the campaign trail of Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori was in most wards of Ughelli North and Ughelli South local government areas of Delta State. For the most part, the campaign rallies were turned into carnivals, with each ward trying to outdo the other in their welcome reception and indeed the number of party faithfuls present. It was an opportunity, and a unique one at that, for the people at the grassroots to directly interact with a governorship candidate whom they love and cherish. For religious leader Soje Efeogene Wilfred, Oborevwori will be a governor with a grassroots appeal.
It is an indication that it's going to be a grassroots governor, that is going to be a governor of the people, that his government is going to be an all-inclusive government. That's why he has started laying the foundation by going from the grassroots.
To ensure that everyone in Delta State keys into the MORE agenda, Oborevwori's campaign trail is visiting all the political wards in Delta State to explain to the people how the MORE agenda will translate into socio-economic advancement while maintaining peace and security in the state. At Ughelli North and South local government areas, Oborevwori reiterated his promise to faithfully implement the MORE agenda, which he says will be his social contract with the people of Delta State.
And I've told Deltans that my MORE agenda is my social contract with Deltans. I will stand by it, and it's my promise, by the mercy of God. When God gives us victory, I will keep to my promises. I want to assure you that we will continue to stand by you day and night in projects, in empowerment, in everything that we need to get from government. We'll do our best when we resume office come next year.
Obviously impressed with Oborevwori, PDP faithfuls Okwo Simon and Betty Onakboma said they will surely deliver votes for Oborevwori during the March 2023 governorship elections.
Sheriff, as I've seen and as I've known, as I've read and I've read, he's a trailblazer. He's somebody who is detribalized. He accepts everybody. He mobilizes everybody. He takes everybody along. That kind of a man is the man we need at the moment.
Ughelli North is my local government. Orogu Ward 2 is my ward. And here is my immediate ward. We will work jointly to make sure we deliver Sheriff Oborevwori in Orogu Federal Ward 2.
Mrs. Tobore Oborevwori, wife of the PDP governorship candidate, who accompanied her husband to some of the campaign rallies, prayed for supporters of her husband while asking everyone to remain faithful to the PDP.
Do we want APC? We should drive APC away. So it's only PDP that we want. It's PDP that we raise. PDP all the way. PDP 5/5. PDP!
As the campaign trail grows around the state, more and more people are throwing their weight behind Oborevwori. Chief Fred Majemite, who contested the PDP primaries with Oborevwori, has since joined the Oborevwori camp.
The primaries were conducted free and fair, and he's a destiny child. So he won the primaries. And as a good statesman, I have no other thing to do but to support him, because I want my party to win. You know what the party, and I know too also that the people of Delta State have spoken. And since they have spoken, I have no other choice. I'm just an individual. I was going to serve our people, to serve them. But since they have decided otherwise, I know that my friend Sharif should go instead. I have no problem than to support them so that they can win the election. That's why I'm here today.
As the campaign trail rounded off its activities last week, immediate past governor of Delta State, Dr. Emmanuel Udwanga, over the weekend paid a visit to the Osubi home of Oborevwori. The visit erased any doubt about Udwanga's endorsement of Oborevwori.
I've come to a stage in politics where I do what my conscience tells me, not taking instruction from anybody. My coming here is what my conscience told me. My declaring to stand beside you, behind you, was through my conscience, not anybody's. There wasn't any other pressure. He had pushed, and the Supreme Court had decided that you are the candidate. Where else do you want to go?
As we approach the March 11, 2023 governorship elections, Oborevwori's support base seems to be growing daily, making his ambition to occupy Government House Asaba from May 29, 2023 almost a certainty.
Inside the Niger Delta,